Mrs. Lucio, is this your husband?
Yes.
Why don't you have a seat, sir? And you are Dr. Cole.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Lucio, you are suing Dr. Cole because you say that he performed a breast augmentation procedure for you and you were not satisfied with the result.
That's correct, Your Honor.
I gather from your complaint that this was not the first time that you had a breast augmentation procedure.
That's correct.
When was the first time that you had the procedure done?
It was in 1992.
What happened with that procedure?
It was
So why are you doing it again?
for larger breasts.
Why?
That's what I wanted.
If you had the procedure done in 1992 and you said it was fine, what changed in the last 4 or 5 years?
I just thought that I would prefer larger breasts. I had breastfed my children, and I was at a certain size. And with age, my figure had changed, and that I wanted it more in proportion.
And are you telling me that you were totally satisfied with the procedure that was done in 1992?
Yes,
Didn't you tell me in your complaint that your breast size was different? One was heavier than the other?
that was before any surgery.
And after the 1992 surgery, both breasts were exactly the same?
Pretty much. It was from a different doctor.
I know it was from a different doctor. What do you mean, pretty much?
It was to my satisfaction. Yes.
And then you consulted Dr. Cole.
That's correct.
Why didn't you go back to the doctor that you consulted in 1992 and did the surgery in 1992?
He had moved.
Moved to another city, another...
I just couldn't find him. He had moved. He had moved from an area. He wasn't. I couldn't find him. I couldn't locate him.
Did you try?
I had went to him when I had a problem with something, and I had went back to his office, and they were doing some remodeling around that area, and also I had a girlfriend that gave me some information on Dr. Cole. I had seen his work on some lip surgery that he had done, and I just thought I'd try it again.
So he became well recommended to you.
He came recommended for a different type of surgery.
So why did you decide to use breast surgery?
I went and had a consultation with him. I listened to what he had to say, and I just thought I would use him.
How much was he going to charge you for the surgery?
He was going to charge me originally $3,600.
And ultimately?
A $75 consultation fee, and then I also paid, the total was $3,200 with the surgical center was $800, which brought a total of $1,000.
How much did you pay for the first surgery?
I don't recall, not the total.
Do you remember?
I wasn't involved in that. I
Oh.
was married to her.
When did the two of you get married?
In 95.
But you have children from a prior marriage, is that right? You have no children together? No. I want to ask you a couple of questions, so stand up here. You fell in love with her the way she was, right?
Yes.
Did you encourage her to have this second surgical procedure?
No, I did not.
Did you try to discourage her?
Yes, I did.